How to become a mortgage loan originator with no experience in 2026. Here's the great news. You don't need a college degree to become a mortgage loan originator. The total timeline from start to licensed MLO is just 2 to 4 months. The first-time NMLS exam pass rate is about 56%, so proper study is essential. Median MLO earnings range from $65,000 to $80,000, with experienced originators earning well over $100,000. The startup cost is surprisingly low, about $600 to $1,200 total, including your pre-licensing education, exam fee, state application, background check, and surety bond. The career outlook is strong, with mortgage lending remaining a critical part of the housing market. Here are the 7 steps to become a licensed MLO. Step 1. Complete 20 hours of NMLS-approved pre-licensing education. This covers federal law, ethics, lending standards, and non-traditional mortgage products. Step 2. Pass the NMLS SAFE exam. You'll face 125 questions with 120 scored, and you need 75% to pass. Step 3. Apply for your state license through NMLS. Each state has unique requirements. Step 4. Complete the FBI background check and credit report authorization. Step 5. Obtain a surety bond, which typically costs $35 to $55 per year. Step 6. Find a sponsoring employer. Your license must be linked to a licensed mortgage company. Step 7. Once approved, your license is activated and you can start originating loans. What does a day in the life of an MLO look like? You'll spend your time prospecting for clients, taking loan applications, reviewing financial documents, coordinating with underwriters and processors, and guiding borrowers through the closing process. Compensation is typically salary plus commission, with commission rates ranging from 0.5 to 2.75% of the loan amount. Career advancement is strong. After 2 to 3 years, you can move into branch management, wholesale lending, or start your own mortgage brokerage. The key to success is building relationships with real estate agents, financial planners, and past clients who can refer new business to you. Ready to start your MLO career? Visit openexamprep.com for free NMLS practice questions and study guides. Everything is free, no credit card needed.